our number one?
Number one!
Our
Cookie Mall!
Where are you going?
B!
Where?
B!
Beach!
Nakwento pa nga si Papa.
Okay guys, en route to Catanduanes.
Yeah. It has been 30 minutes.
30 minutes, ulo ko. Ha? But it was ulo ko. Okay guys, later ulit. Yeah.
Ang-hang!
First stopover, time check. It's already 7 p.m. Andito pala kami sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. Welcome to our vlog! Say hi!
Hello, my baby. This is my new baby.
Hey! Tite! Tite!
my
Tite!
new baby.
Tite! Yeah. My brother.
Alright.
Okay, first stopover. Kain muna kami ng dinner.
Ay, naman.
Okay. Hi guys. Yan po ni Tita.
Huwag ka yung pampalabok mo.
Isang talyasing log.
Tsaka lang yan.
Wow, laki oh.
Hello guys.
Okay guys, time check. 8 p.m.
Hi!
10 hours to go to port. 10 hours.
Hello!
We just ate dinner.
Ang iting isa.
Oo, yan.
Yan nga.
Okay. 10 hours to go to the port yet.
To the port?
No daw.
Yeah.
Total is 14 hours pa.
We go to, we're going to the beach later. Bye!
And then 4 hours.
We just had
Alam mo na,
dinner.
abutan ko pa yan ng karinderya lang.
What time na?
It is 10:19.
10:19 in Pagbilao, Quezon.
Let's go!
Okay, so stop over sa Shell and
Donkey. Nga rin ako sayang yung 60 pesos eh.
Okay, so magpapagas na rin si Sir. Kasi discounted.
I'm excited.
Donut! Let's buy. Go! Oh no! Time na. 2 a.m. Ano tayo? Sam, what time na?
It is
4:30. Nasa na tayo? Nasa Amsur na ba tayo, Daddy?
Wala pa.
What?
Nasa Quezon pa rin tayo?
Oo eh.
What?
4:30. Nasa Quezon pa.
And diba,
Malapit na tayo sa
maximum
Naga.
5 hours daw yung boat. Mama.
2 hours nga lang daw.
What?
Pero mukhang hindi ka na fresh. Kanina kiss ka, ngayon hindi.
What?
Beach?
Beach. I want to be ninja. Guys,
Perfect talaga yung ano. 7
a.m. we arrived on the part of Tobacco.
Sabi ko si Janet kasi siya ang marunong
Mag-Tagalog. Kasi English tayo eh.
Oo. Sira ako. Nasa yung lising, yung ano mo, yung papel, ORCR.
Hala.
Kaya pa, Daddy. He drove 12 hours. These babies. Sam will ride the boat.
Yan pa niya. Ito yung doon natulog. Kumain daw pa sila ng muna ng cup noodles. Hinihintay nila.
Oh no, inabutan pa kami ng
Yun sila yung English.
oh no. We're gonna board. Day training.
Kailangan tumalon sa dagat, ilagay ang inyong dalawang kamay sa ulang at ang kanang kamay sa life jacket. Ilangtang parat ang isang paa at saka tumalon. Ang paa ang mahala sa pagtalon sa dagat. Ang mga life jackets ang natatagpan natin sa lahat ng komunikasyon at ng
Swimming in the beach. Swimming in the beach. Ouch. Naglipot kami guys sa may airport.
Mas gusto ko pa nga doon sa hindi airport. Ilang hours na tayo?
11:31 na.
Ilang hours na yun? 12. Hindi lang. 4:30 tayo umalis. Finally, after like 20 hours of traveling. Hi! You say hi! Where are you? Look at here. Where are you? Where are you already? You're in Catanduanes. Beach. Wala kami view. View lang ito. Kasi nandito kami sa may air condition. Hindi namin nakita ang view sa labas. Wala pa akong captures ng dagat. Guys, 19 hours. After 19 hours of traveling, nandito pa, kararating lang namin sa port ng San Andres.
Who is this?
Yeah, wait a minute. Hi! Say welcome to Catanduanes. Sam! No, here only. Later doon, later. Wow. It's San Andres. Catanduanes. Hello guys!
We're finally here! Let's go, Catanduanes!
Mami, kuya!
Nakalabas na. Si Tito Carlo mo muna na susunod ako eh.
Asan si Daddy ba?
Katukin mo kuya, baka tulog.
Bababa na tayo. Okay.
Sami! Hi! Kuya, no! Kuya! Say hi, kuya! Hi!
Mawa ka na. Yes. Sige, throw ka in the water.
Welcome to Catanduanes! Ang init, guys! Bye-bye, ferry! Sure.
Hi! Catanduanes.
Daddy! Hello, Montero! Yan, thank you. Dito kami sa, friend sa cafe ng friend ni Carlo. Sa former boss niya. Nakayo naman, sabayan natin sila. Set, hawakan mo siya ha. We're here in Amenya Beach. Sobrang tahimik. Yeah. Anong meron dyan? Okay lang yan.
Kailangan ko ng 20 pesos. Tickets are allowed in the unit. Hindi sa pool.
Tignan natin yung pool.
Mama, what's playtime?
What? Opo, sige. Magpe-playground kayo later. Kunin muna natin kung anong meron. Oh, there's like a pool area also. Ayan, Kitty. What?
Playtime.
Playing in the sand?
Yes.
You don't like pool, right? My God, ang init lang dito, guys. Wow! Anong ginagawa nila, ti Janet? Mang! Wow! Look at that! Oo, malalaglag ka riyan.
Pag hindi low tide mo, hanggang dito lang yan.
Ay, Lord! Bakit niya? Hurry up!
Hey, Gabi, tara!
Nawagsak ko ah.
Okay? Para si tita lang na maliit eh.
Sam, okay ka lang. Natsura mo.
Maskin, are you okay there? Are you enjoying?
Ay. Seth, kunin mo yung ibang toys kasi baka alunin yan. Hi. Are you enjoying there? Are you happy there? You're such a happy kid there. Look at you. You're not even in your suit. Come on. You like it? Yeah. Can I see? What are you going to do? Love you, love. Wow. Love you. Go, Sam. Go to Set, Sam. Don't be afraid. Set will get you. Ha? Talaga? Kuya, punta raw siya dun. Sama mo siya dun, Seth. high tide na. Ano kinuha nyo? Limango. May nakuha na ba kayo? Isa? Hi, Sam. Hi, Titem. What is that, Sam? Huh? What is that?
Tumang.
What's that? Can you say it again?
Tumang.
Komang.
Dad. Pero may son.
Time. Titim.
Pangalawa.
Pwede yan.
Dito set sa mga ano yan, hindi gumagapang yan dyan.
No, dito tayo sa walang plant if you're scared of the plants. What is that, Titim?